Making a viral YouTube video can be challenging, as there is no guaranteed formula for success. However, here are some things you can do to increase your chances of creating a viral video. Identify a trending topic. Look for popular topics in your niche and create content that is relevant and timely. By identifying a trending topic, you are more likely to create a video that resonates with your audience. It's important to stay up to date with current events and popular topics in your niche. You can use tools like Google Trends, Twitter, and Instagram to find trending topics. Create an attention-grabbing title and thumbnail. Your title and thumbnail are the first things viewers will see, so make sure they are attention-grabbing and accurately represent the content of your video. The title and thumbnail are what will entice people to click on your video, so make sure they are catchy, engaging, and reflective of the content you're providing. Make sure to use an image or graphic that is visually appealing and easily recognizable. Keep it short and sweet. Attention spans are short, so keep your video short and to the point. Aim for videos that are under 3 minutes. People have short attention spans, so it's important to keep your videos short and to the point. This will ensure that viewers stay engaged throughout the video. It will also increase the chances of people watching the entire video and sharing it with others. Be authentic and relatable. People connect with authenticity and relatability. Speak in a natural and conversational tone, and be yourself. People are more likely to engage with content that is authentic and relatable. Speak in a natural and conversational tone, and be yourself. Show your personality and let your audience get to know you. Add value. Offer something of value to your audience, whether it's information, entertainment, or inspiration. Your video should offer something of value to your audience. It could be something that educates, entertains, or motivates. By providing value, you are more likely to create a video that will be shared and viewed by many people. Promote your video. Share your video on social media, embed it on your website, and collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers to get more views. Once you've created your video, it's important to promote it. Share your video on social media, embed it on your website, and collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers to get more views. The more people see your video, the more likely it is to go viral. Engage with your audience. Encourage your audience to like, share, and comment on your video. Respond to comments and messages to build a community around your content. After you've posted your video, it's important to engage with your audience. Building a community around your video will increase the chances of it going viral, as your audience will be more likely to share it with others. It's worth noting that even if you follow all these steps, there's no guarantee that your video will go viral. However, by following these tips, you increase your chances of creating a video that will be well received and shared by many people.